I'm VanDenDriessche, Director of Medical Sales for Precision ADM. We will be in LA for the upcoming NASS event, and we are very excited to be there. If you're planning to be at NASS, please be sure to stop by our booth 1861. We have a full staff of biomedical and medical engineers to talk about your upcoming additive manufacturing projects. When choosing a metal AM service provider, it's very important to understand their quality system and the qualified equipment that they do have. Precision ADM has now achieved full validation on our quality system and qualification on our metal AM equipment. Whether you're thinking about a metal AM project or already doing serial production using metal AM, we have the equipment and the expertise to help you every step along the way. Be sure to stop by booth 1861 at this year's NASS event. We look forward to seeing you there.